Hey guys, it's John VE3XVN. I'm here in the park with VE3IGG, Igor and John, VE3BOF. We're at David Dunlop Observatory here. We just finished doing some 2 meter, 220, 900, 446 tests, 6 meters. And we even brought out a couple of CB radios here. I know it's not ham radio, but we're experimenting here. Radio is radio as far as we're concerned. So I got the spool antenna out. So what I wanted to show you guys is the black wire. As you can see, you can hardly see it. Very stealthy, hard to see in the ground. And as we get closer here, now you start to see the high visibility wire, the orange wire. So we can see that very, very clearly here in the ground. So the advantage is we have a couple options here. We have black wire for stealth, and we have orange wire for high visibility. So this is what we're going to set up here. I've got my water bottle we tossed up into the tree. We're going to be about, I don't know, 15, 20 feet off the ground, so we'll give it a go. We've got a comparison antenna here with the Alpha. It's basically a 5-to-1 Balun. It's actually a clone of the Chameleon. They just cloned the Chameleon antenna there. The 5-to-1 Balun, and 20 meters doesn't seem to be in too bad shape. But anyways, we did a bunch of tests here. It's a good high spot location. Now we'll do a little bit of HF here with the SPOOLTENNA, and the new item he's got in the catalog, the spare spool. And I got mine with the HIGH-viz wire on it, and we talked about this. What are we going to do with the spare spool if we swap the wires out? Leave the black wire on it, or do we put coax on it? We'll figure it out. Or maybe we need to get another spare spool. Thanks guys. 73 is VE3XVN. Field tested and approved by John VE3XVN. And we'll take another look here. So just to show you that thing I made up here to hold up the SPOOLTENNA. And got that clipped in. Now we're going to have the coax, get this wire up, and see what's on 40 meters and 20, and do some A/B tests with the vertical. 73 guys, catch you in the parks.